What's going on, everybody? Today we are at Paris, going to do a room tour of the Burgundy Queen Room in room 1483. Let's check it out. Alright, so coming into the room, immediately to your left is the bathroom. So you come into the bathroom area. It's a pretty nice bathroom. Got a vanity mirror here, and then you got your regular mirror here as well. Then the lighting on this side, and you actually have the coffee maker in the bathroom. So if you need a coffee maker and coffee, that's included. Down here you've got your cloths, and this is the toilet area over here. And then on this side of the bathroom you have a standing shower. So you got a full standing shower, and then you also have a tub. So you can either shower or tub or do both, but they've got them separate, so that's pretty cool. And then coming into the main part of the room, you have your two queen beds. This is one of their newer rooms, as you can see from the burgundy themed color of the room versus the red room that they have. But these are your queen beds. You've got lights on both sides. There's a switch for them both. Here you have a clock radio in your phone, and then you just have drawers down here, as you see. And then opposite from the bed area is your entertainment area. So you've got two closets, both with full body mirrors. On this side, you have the first closet with a hanger. You've got an extra pillow. Here is your in-room safe. And then down here at the very bottom is a mini fridge. So if you need to keep things cool, we got a mini fridge for you in this door. Got your courtesy ice bucket and cups here, and these are more storage drawers as well if you need them. Those are more drawers. And then on this side you have your second closet with your ironing board and your iron, and some more hangers if you need them. So you get two separate closets in this one. Another full body mirror, as you see. Here is a desk area, so if you need to do some work, you need a little area to handle some business, you got a little desk area here, and you got a USB charging right there, as well as an outlet. So if you need to charge either or, you have that. And then right here is a lamp. It's controlled by a little light on the floor. You just step on, step off, it'll cut it on. And then here's like a little gray chair to go with the theme of the room. This isn't a strip view, it's just I guess this would be their city view, I guess, because you can see part of the strip down there and then the side of the building. But this is the room you'll get in the basic Burgundy room versus the actual strip view. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.